here today to talk about my prediction on where Bitcoin is going. We really need to focus on why we need to focus on why or where the place of Bitcoin is going to be determines the type of trades that we should make in these markets with these certain crypto coins. So what I have up here is the indicators that I'm using today right now is the Elite Oscillator V5 Elite TVR, and this is just an oscillator. I just bought this algorithm not too long ago, and it's proven me pretty good, especially on my leverage trades. But as far as all that go, let's go to the technicals for Bitcoin right now. So what I notice is that we're in a downtrend. The trend is your friend, you feel me? So I started my trend line from up here, it probably ain't even had to really just be up there, but still, I mean, the top of this descending channel started right here, and then we started coming on down, you feel me? Start coming down here and touching the tops, coming back to the bottom, touching the top. This is how I can realize where we are. So here, you know what I'm saying, we right here, you dig? And with that being said, what I want to realize is, even though we are in a downtrend, we can go into accumulation. And I know people that is bearish as me, your boy. I would like for Bitcoin to be very bearish for the immediate short term. I would say, it feels long term. I would prefer more long term bearish price action for Bitcoin. That's what I want. Not maybe I ain't gonna say it's what I expect, but hey, we're dropping off in volume, as you can tell. And I'm gonna just draw a trend line from here. So look, from this top all the way down here. Let me see, I just up it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So like, you feel me, this type of price action for the volume, this proves to us where the price gonna go. Volume predicts the price. Alright, so let me go ahead and remove these drawings. Alright. Oh, let me get that back. Let me remove these drawings real quick. Nope. What? Let me get this back. Okay. Let's see. Remove drawings. So wow, so that was a drawing, really? Oh my god. Let me just come back and get all this. And I'll just delete this, you dig? Luckily I'm on a computer, because if I was on my phone this would take such a long time. So this is my prediction for Bitcoin, so we trading in this range. And I got this indicator here to help, give me a little booster, you know what I'm saying? Give me a little boost on where I think, it helps. But like, either way it go, it's some rules while using these. You have to use strategies. Like, if they say if you're a rookie, then hey, invest in the 1 hour to 4 hour chart, right? And then they say if we're going sideways like this, like this, instead of like, you know what I'm saying, going up all the way up and coming all the way down, doing all that. You know, we going sideways. So if we going sideways, it's best not to trade, because like what I see here is on this hourly on this hourly chart, it looks like starting from like what, let's see, after we had this big old drop on the 11th, it finally ended at like, well, it started at around 3 p.m. No, actually, it started around 3 in the morning, and it finally ended at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So from 3 in the morning to 9, that's 3, 6, 9, 12. You know what? I don't feel like doing all that right now. All I'm saying is, it was a matter of hours. It wasn't even 24 whole hours. It was almost 24 hours. And the price did all that. But then it started trying to come up a little bit. You feel me? And then it came down some more. Came up a little bit. But this is the history of the price actions. But when it came up some more, but look at this amount of volume that came in. You see what I'm saying? This volume here. So then we came all the way back up and tried to retest this this trend line here. Probably trying to start some support at the $41,000 price range. You feel me? Every time we come up, something tell me, man, just go ahead and buy you a short. Cause as soon as it come all the way up to like the upper 40,000s, or want to start trying to do that, then that's when the best time for me, in my opinion, is when to open up a short, because it's gonna go right back down. Like the volume here. Oh my gosh, the volume here is slowly dropping. Like I say around the between like the 13th and the 14th, it was a lot of volume leaving about the market around about the 14th. You feel me? So with that being said, this amount of volume is not, it's like a lot of volume then dropped off. So I'm just trying to let you know, bro, like we still in a downtrend. Not to say that we might not go down. You feel me? We might come up to retest this area right here. You feel me? Like this 41,000. We can come up, and if we can get above 41,000 and hold it above here, like up in this area, once we break 42,000, you know what I'm saying, the next level of support could very well be right at 42,000. You feel me? Like up here in this area, because this was our previous support way back here on the 9th. You feel me? Like, you see this right here, 42K. That's where we was up, and then we just kept on going along this trend, and eventually we broke through it. But then we came up. But when we came back up, it was right here at the next level of support. You know what I'm saying? Like right at the 45 to 43K. You feel me? Once we break above 43K, you see how much this then dropped off. This is the next level. That's in my opinion. These are the next levels. Like 46K. We could break above 46K, then the next level of support, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at all this right up here, you know what I'm saying? It gets real, man. The next level of support, at minimum 48,000. You feel me? So just be willing to understand that once you see Bitcoin chilling at some of them price ranges, that's where it might end up being real bullish. In my technical analysis for Ethereum, we up here in this channel, and what I see, like, I like to see stuff like this because it helps me go and try to do research and stuff like that. For, like, in this candlestick pattern right here, this looks very similar to a spinning top. So a spinning top candlestick pattern, and usually in these type of patterns, they would generally means basically it's just neutral, bullish, or bearish. And with that being said, like, let's move this out a little bit. Alright, so yeah, we are in a downtrend. You dig? We are in a downtrend. Whether you like it or not, it is what it is. We are in a downtrend. So let me do something real quick. Yeah. Now let me check this out. So yeah. So with that being said, look at this. Man, hold on real quick, y'all. What's happening, Playboy?
What's up, baby? Wow.
Man, ain't doing nothing, man. Just sitting up here trying to finish with this content.
Already my bad for disturbing you, man.
Man, you good, man? What's cracking?
Oh, cool. Man, you ready? Get this day started. I get off at 9 today, though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Shit, if I ain't busy, man, I'm gonna come fuck with you, you hear me?
Yeah, come in. I got you, man. Shit, we gonna be there.
Alright, 100.
Alright.
Alright, yep. YouTube ain't the only business that I run. So I just wanna put that out there. Alright, so let's look at this. From right here to right here. You feel me? Like, what you think about that? You feel me? Like, what you think about that? Look, nah. Yeah, you feel me? Like, that could possibly be. This could possibly be like areas of support for low Ethereum, you know what I'm saying? But still, this is why I got this little box right here. Because we came up and we retested this. Basically, let me zoom out. Let me zoom out some more. So based off Ethereum, especially with this volume, look at this volume, and we down here on the stochastic, the stochastic indicator here is basically showing us that we are close to the oversold territory. This means that we are oversold. This means that we're overbought. So with us being over here in this territory above this line, you dig, that mean that this will be the perfect time to sell more money. So, it's perfect time to sell, you dig. This means like this is a good area to buy, you know. It's not financial advice, but down here, you don't want to be buying Bitcoin up here. You don't want to be buying no cryptocurrency over here in this territory. You feel me? Because, like, oh my God. Your motherfucking ass gonna regret that shit. Don't do that. Don't do that. Like, you want to be buying over here in this, in this on here on down. You see, you know what I'm saying? Everything on down, that's what you want. So, looking at this divergence here, yes, with this convergence here, I recommend that, we got some farther downsides to go, because we are still in a certain range that we trading in. So, you know what I'm saying? We came down and we tried to retest this box. So the lowest the price was like, oh, like 2,900. The hot, you know what I'm saying? It was just like 2,900. Then it came. Let me see. Let me put this on the 1 hour chart. What that look like? Yeah, that looks a lot better. A lot better. A lot better. All right. Yeah. So it came all the way down and retest this level of support. So we know here, this is a fire little level of support. You feel me? This range that we trading in, good level of support. We always have support at these round numbers here. You see what I'm saying? Like right at $3,000, $2,900. You probably won't ever find ETH below certain prices again. But if we ever do come down, the lowest I could see for levels of support would be on this trend line right here. Down in the future, like, well, based off this trend line, hey, the trend is your friend. So my opinion, I say by midnight, April the 20. Hold on. Yeah. So by midnight, April the 22nd, I predict the price of Ethereum to be right around 2,500, maybe. Worst case scenario. But on the high end, you feel me? Like, if we just end up falling, down this channel here, this area here could be our area of support. This line right here, you feel me? So I could see on the high end Ethereum like $2,500 a pop. That's if we fall. That's if we fall bad, man. And that's my take on Ethereum and Bitcoin technical analysis. Anyways, yeah, we see a lot of this here in the price actions, and I think patterns tend to repeat themselves, whether you like it or not. So follow me here on Twitter at blockchain_BBY, where you'll get all up to date comments and 2 cents, whatever you want to call it. You feel me? Like, this is why I post. It's what I think about. This is my goal. Sometimes I just pour it all out on here on Twitter. It's a social media of choice for me at this current time, right? Like, I'm like, coding is the next language that I want to learn for my resume. Why do I say coding? Because look at this. You can make your own website, right? Put this in your website. You could put a news widget. How do you do that? Well, you have to use a code. See, look, copy code to paste on your site. You just copy this code right here, right? Copy. I don't know all the keys and all this stuff like that, but let me see. How would I place this code here? Settings, more tools, share, web capture, print. Let's see. Let's go to settings. Quick setup, confirm. See, it would take for you to actually go through all this and place this code somewhere here. I was trying to. I seen this not. I seen it not too long ago. Let's see. Extensions, manage extensions. Let's try this. Let's see. Let's paste that right there. Get extensions from Microsoft Edge. No. Get extensions from Microsoft Edge. No. Well, hey, it's kind of new for me to understand, so I'm gonna try to find out how to do this. All right, let's move along. This is my portfolio at this current time. What am I holding? What am I holding, right? Like, I'm mining cryptocurrency, you feel me? So this how much I got paid in this past short period of time, you feel me? That I just ain't sold none. It's about 0.16196 Litecoin. And in Dogecoin, I haven't sold any of my Doge that I've made from Dogecoin mining. Like, but this how much I done made, you feel me? 297. It's going all to my coil storage. XRP. I got about 10 XRP. Usually I like to send XRP from my cold storage to exchanges via XRP. Is so fast. You feel me? Like, oh my gosh. XLM. Now I think XLM is the faster, more urban XRP or something like that, in my opinion. But Tether, I got about $83 worth of USDT in an exchange called Bybit, and Bybit allows me to leverage trade, and I've been liking it because I was able to manipulate the price of the money that I put in there. And pretty much I put my whole little paycheck in that bitch, and I flipped my paycheck. I turned like my it was like a little travel check. It was like $83, but then it was like $87, $88, and then I had transferred it to Coinbase. You feel me? Then after I transferred it to Coinbase, I was like, it's not gaining no money. Like, I can't really just flip it how I want to, just letting it sit on Coinbase. So I'm like, all these other exchanges, like, they got other coins. Look at Coinbase, top 1,000 coins on Coinbase. They don't even have 1,000 coins on Coinbase. Coinbase. Look at this. This is Coinbase, y'all. Coinbase. Now let's go to Binance. Let's click Binance. Let me show you. Look, all these different coins on Binance. Coinbase. Look at this. It's a big compare contrast, man. I mean, KuCoin. KuCoin's pretty cool. It's pretty decent, but excuse me. I think that Coinbase has higher leverage fees when leverage trading, just in my personal experience. FTX, oh my god, FTX, they don't have a lot of coins as well. I mean, but I see some decentralized coins here. They got some, what is this? 1inch network. I think that 1inch has a lot to do with the DeFi, DeFi markets. But yeah, the news. Let's look at some news for crypto news. Alright, 5 launch pads to look out for in the crypto space. Wow, ooh, a launch pad. So what is a launch pad in crypto? What is a launch pad in crypto? Crypto Launchpad, also known as crypto incubators, are platforms that allow blockchain-based projects to raise capital while giving access to early-stage token sales for their group of investors. So, a launchpad, crypto launchpad. Let's go to video. What is a crypto launchpad? I mean, it seems like it's a given that, I mean, a launch pad is supposed to be like, you know, you on a pad and it boosts you up. So like you put your money in there, like it's supposed to automatically boost your stuff. Look at this, like 7,000% increased on the beta launch pad. That's pretty dope. 7,000%. This man made $200,000. You feel me? Like, these folks is really doing this. So Alex Becker said recently that a launch pad should be considered a part of your portfolio. I'm just being real. Our Moonbird set to bring 66 million as NFT drop mints out. That's cool. Click, close. How Web3 is re-engineering real estate. Okay. Web3, digital real estate. Yeah, I seen a website about digital real estate, and man, it's like basically you could buy a house in a property for like $200 something. That's pretty interesting, but I just didn't want to dive into that. You feel me? Like, I got other stuff that I got to take care of. You know what I'm saying? Other than buying digital real estate. Like, I mean, I could, if it's a way that I could sell it, then yes, I would buy it. Especially if they will be worth $1,000 a piece in the future. Benefits of centralized versus decentralized exchanges. The benefits to me is the benefits in a decentralized exchange is basically in a centralized exchange it's more scrutinized, right? And your gains were more susceptible to being taxed. So my idea of trading in a decentralized exchange is because the more gains you make, you can basically mask it more, have more privacy when dealing with centralized methods of moving your money around. So decentralized, it can be more risky, But at the same time, what you want more? Privacy and, more prosperity, more wealth, more abundance? Or would you rather have no privacy but a whole lot of security? Which one you want more? It's more like a rhetorical question, but you feel me? Like, it's my opinion. Yep. I am inspired. I meant to say inspired to develop blockchain. I made only 5 impressions. Wow, it's pretty cool. I have to use the restroom. Wall Street analyst predicts 100% upside for Coinbase stock in the next 12 months. Just then, 1 billion in Bitcoin has flowed out of crypto exchanges in the past 24 hours. I think this should be bullish news. 100 billion in Bitcoin has flowed out of crypto exchanges. That means people is taking them and putting them on their cold storage wallets, which may ultimately, I think, should drive the price up for that crypto. So from here on out, I'm just being real. Like, the lower portions of our trend lines, the lower portions of the trend line should be like steady in an upwards trend. Even in a downtrend, we're steady going in an upwards trend regardless. Like, it's no way around it. It's no way around slightly, just ever so slightly going in an upwards trend. But still though, we going down, but it's so slightly. It's like you really have to zoom in to look at it. You feel me? Like, slowly going up in an upwards trend. You feel me? Slowly. Like, these lows, come on now. Even though we crashing, the lows still going up. You feel me? Like, making higher lows. But I'm just trying to say, like, bro, it's room for everybody. It's room for everybody, bro. Look, they bought the dip. They bought the dip. Look, and it dipped some more, and it came up, and it dipped some more. Like, these smart sell signals here come with this algorithm that I paid for, the elite algo. Let me go to the settings. Oh my god, it's not acting right. Like, what the freak, bro? Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? Ethereum, look, we still making higher lows, even in a downtrend, bro. See, look at it again. Touch the trend line 3 times. Look, the bottom of every green. How about that? The bottom of every green, but look, this one, like, you feel me? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, with that being said, I said I mine Dogecoin. It's the hash rate for my miner in the past, I would say the past 24 hours, from 8 a.m. Well, the past, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the past 10 hours, my hash rate has been fluctuating up and down. And the average hash rate, I would say, would be around, let's see, like 150 mega hashes per second. So that's pretty good. Let's move down here, and it's accepted 6,028 Litecoin transactions, Litecoin, Dogecoin transactions, right? And it only had 14 rejections, 18 hardware errors. That's pretty average. Honestly, I don't I don't really like I don't really like having hardware errors, because that shows me that my hardware is malfunctioning, which means it may need repair soon. But the nuts is the numbers being created. This is the amount of numbers times the mega hashes per second being created. So this is 1, 2, 3, 6. This small machine is creating. I'll go to what this machine is. Doge. Mini Doge. Mini Doge miner. Let's go to an image. This bad boy here. This little bad boy here can create 6-figure. It can come up with 479,985 numbers and compute about 145 times that per second. In a world full of numbers, numbers don't lie. On a blockchain, you have to provide a proof of work, which means that when this group of numbers is accepted to create a newer block, it will be accepted, and this how new blocks on the blockchain are being created right here by nonsense hash graph. Not I didn't mean to say hash graph, but hash rate, and the profitability is these numbers being accepted, and this is where the money is made. So I can go here on this app on my phone, and I'm gonna show you this revenue. This is about how much revenue is being generated so far in the past 24 hours. This machine has made 0.00016622 Litecoin. Let me see what that's gonna do. Let me see. LTC calculator. Oh my gosh. LTC calculator. I just want to calculate my LTC. Litecoin calculator. Alright. So how many Litecoin did I say we have? It says 0.001 0.001662. So far today, this little machine here that I have working for me 24 hours a day has only made 18 cents since last night around about 6 o'clock. It made about 18 cents. And then in Dogecoin, it made me yesterday made me 3.58 Dogecoin. Let me see. Dogecoin. Dogecoin coin. Dogecoin coin. Dogecoin calculator. Come on. Okay. Let's see. By units. So it has made 3.58967713 Dogecoin. Calculate. This is how much Dogecoin it has made. What the 1 cent? Hell no. What the hell? Let me see. Dogecoin calculator. $1. Okay. Oh my god. I want trying to go to this. Dogecoin calculator USD. Yeah. This is what I was looking for. Bro, what the fuck? Dogecoin. Doge calculator. $sign Doge. I'm a little confused, man. I am so feeling like Joe Biden right now. Not really listening to Joe. Not really feeling like Joe Biden. But what I'm saying is like, seeing like how he be tripping. Like I feel like I'm kind of doing it a little bit right now. 3.58. Basically 3.58 Dogecoin. How many? Let's see. Let me go to Crypto Bubbles and then I'll type in the price for Dogecoin here. I am about to shut this show down. I have other things to do. I got to use the restroom, man. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I got to do some human stuff. I have to do some human stuff. Oh, it's time to pay my bill again. Damn, bro. Like everybody want a piece of my money, bro. Like I can only keep so much money for myself. It's so amazing. Well, I'm not even gonna type in Doge from here because just look down at look for the script algorithm, and here is Doge right here. So the price of Doge, let me go click on that. Alright, I'll bust out a calculator. Alright, so oh my gosh. Alright, so 0.14. Let me make sure that yeah, I'm good. So 0.14272 times 3 point what did I say? Or wasn't on any one of these. I'm tripping. So yeah, Dogecoin chart. Oh man, that ain't something I'm proud of. That's not going 360. Come on, bro. That's not something I'm proud of, baby. Let me see how much. 3.58 58967713. This is how much Dogecoin I made. 51 cents in Dogecoin yesterday. That's how much money I made yesterday from this machine here. Such a beauty. And it's quiet. 6,000 Litecoin transactions, and it paid in Dogecoin as well. That's amazing. Yep, got a little news, got a little technical analysis, got a little video. I'm gonna play that song in after this YouTube video, man. Hey, thanks for dropping by. Go ahead, subscribe, press the like button. Tell me what you think. Drop down some comments in the comment section, man. Look, I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. Every
day, they taking too long to soak up the game. People are very late. Ain't selling no Mary Kay. I do it the healthy way. Got an expensive taste. Easy like Cherry Cake. Got to buy real estate up down the interstate. We stay on the paper chase. The future is mine. I'm gon' be the richest. Ain't chasing no bitches. I can't plenty fish. These words so explicit. Just gained a new digit. My figures just did it. My method complicit. It's gon' be the snippet. I'm feeling so brilliant. Stayed on my pit. Do the math like a chemist. Making money no limits. Making lemonade with these lemons. The life doin. You ain't. I am. The glitz. The glam. The chop. It go blam. Sometimes I use my hands. The test. Had the crown. Real life. No exam. Yes sir. Yes ma'am. This song is my jam. Rolled up a little gram. Stayed away from the spam. Ain't fucking with no scam. I'm successful with my plans. They made a few bands. I got my money back. More than a couple grand. I got money in the bank. I got money in the bank. All my bands on the blockchain. My bands on the blockchain. All my bands on the blockchain. My bands on the blockchain. Can't take them bands off for the blockchain. My bands on the blockchain. I got bands on the blockchain. My bands on the blockchain. Bands on the blockchain. Some blockchain, baby. Blockchain, baby. Got bands on the blockchain. Cause I'm blockchain.